Hey everybody, so welcome back to my channel where we talk about family, beauty, and everything else in between. I am Cool Mom Crystal. If you are new and don't know, please click the subscription button. I make 2 videos a week. I know since this week I only made 1 video, I decided to do this video really quick. I got samples coming out today. So the first one is going to be an unboxing of my Pinch Me samples, and also I got these Dunkin Doughnuts K-cup samples. So I'm gonna open that right now. I have my letter opener. We're gonna start with, actually no, since it's just the Dunkin Donuts, I'm gonna start with Dunkin Donuts. So I got medium roast original blend and medium roast 100% Colombian coffee. There was 2 options to choose from. You could either choose from this one or from, I believe it was the original and vanilla. So I chose these. Okay, so now for Pinch Me, I actually don't really remember what I got from Pinch Me. They usually tell you to go onto the website when it's sample day, and you click all the samples you want to get or that you are eligible for. I'm usually only eligible for 3 or 4. And in this picture we got, oh, I've been wanting to try these. Oh my god, too bad I'm not sick right now. I wish I would have gotten this in the winter because I would have tried this. I'm excited though. I got the TheraFlu Power Pause Daytime Severe Cold Acetaminophen. I cannot pronounce that, but it's the day one and it's only 1 pot. I wish I had 2 because I know my in-laws would want to try this also. But this is cool. I'm excited to try this. Oh my god. I mean, I want to say I'm excited to get sick, but then I'm not. I just want to try this, but I can't use it now if I'm not sick, you know? That is cool. Okay, sorry. And I also got, what is this? Lumify Monotime. Works in 1 minute, lasts up to 8 hours. I don't know what this is. Oh, they're eye drops. Oh, sorry, I forgot to show it. I got these. These are, I guess it's just a little sample size. I'm gonna open it. This is cool. My eyes do get dry sometimes, especially in front of fans, and I like to sleep with a fan. I like feeling the cold air hitting my face, but my eyes just sometimes they get irritated, or in the mornings when I wake up and then I feel that the breeze from the fan go into my eyes. Oh man, this doesn't even look like a sample size. This looks like a full size eye drops. It's cool. I'm gonna enjoy these. And I also got this Bella Purina Bella Grain Free Pate with vegetables. I don't know what that means. I don't even know if I pronounced that right, but I don't know. It's just that's the word right there that I was trying to say. It's chicken, carrots, and potatoes and savory juices. Ooh, my Teddy is going to love this. If you guys have not seen a picture of my Teddy, I will post a picture of right now. So that is my Teddy. I love my Teddy. He is so fluffy, he is so warm, he is so loving, he's such a good dog. But yeah, I'm hoping he enjoys this because he's a good dog, but he's really picky when it comes to food. He usually likes table food or like food that we prepare at home. He's really picky when it comes to dog food. The only other brand of these that he likes is Neutral or Caesars, but then like Caesars actually came out with a recall about a year ago because there was like plastic in the food. And on top of that, I was on the one that like is his favorite, which was the filet mignon one. So yeah, he loves these wet dog food, especially because he's missing some teeth. So I guess you could say it's like a little hard for him to chew the regular, like the little, I don't know what they're called. I don't remember what they're called. The kibble. It's really hard for him to chew the kibble. So it's mainly I like giving him these. So yeah, he's gonna enjoy that. What is this? Oh, okay. It's just information on the Lumify eye drops. Says it helps. Number 1, helps your eyes appear brighter, whiter and brighter, works in 1 minute, lasts up to 8 hours. Unique formulation, no bleach or dyes. Lumify Redness Reliever Eye Drops reveal your eyes' natural radiance. Just 1 drop significantly reduces redness to make eyes appear whiter and brighter. That's cool. We are going to enjoy this. You know what else is in here? It's a HelloFresh $60 gift card. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Please share my video with your friends and family. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Hey everybody, so one more thing I forgot to mention is please go check out Amari Beauty YouTube channel. She does YouTube videos I believe it's twice a week or once a week, I don't know, but she does really good videos and she's really awesome. She's funny, she's really entertaining. Go check her out. If you subscribe to me, I'll subscribe back, and every video I'm gonna start promoting other new YouTubers that are starting to follow me.